What's up guys, my name is Joe, and today I'm going to show you how to use green screen footage in Davinci Resolve. If you're new to Resolve, I highly recommend that you check out my tutorials playlist. So, I have my clip on the timeline and I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop my green screen like, subscribe, and notification clip, which is available to download in the description, onto the timeline. Next, we're going to head over to Fusion, hit Control Space, search for Delta Keyer, and hit Enter. Hold Shift and drag the node between your media in and media out. Then go over here and drag the eyedropper onto the color you want to key, which in this case is green. And that's all there is to it. Alright guys, that'll do it. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. I hope you like the overlays. Please drop a comment if you would like me to make some for social media as well. My name is Joe, and I'll see you in the next one. Do you have a clip you'd like to submit? Head on over to the link in the description to access our clip submission form for a chance to be featured in a future video.